Welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem YouTube loading on your Android. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. The first thing you can do is you can tap and hold the YouTube application, then go to the app info button. Now this type of application or interface will be shown here. Now you have to just go to storage and cache option. Okay, then you have to just clear the cache as well as clear the storage. After that you have to re-log in into your YouTube account. Another thing you can do is you can uninstall the YouTube account and reinstall it. And if there is a problem in network, you can just tap and hold your Wi-Fi button, then tap on your network and you can just forget it, and again you can just reconnect it with your password. So sometimes you can switch your data and Wi-Fi. That may help you. So you have to do all the things and hopefully one of them will obviously trigger. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.